It's Trevor here, and I hope you are very, very well. Just wanted to shoot this quick video. There's a few things going through my mind at the moment as we look at what's going on in the world. The figures seem to be growing again, and certainly in the UK, you know, we saw this big peak of the virus, and then it came down. We locked down, it flattened out, and then they started to open up the economy again, and saying we could all go out again, and the figures have just gone straight back up again. So the concern is for anybody who, anybody who's got a job, anybody who's got that earns their living, that's reliant on things being in any way normal, that's going to be tough for you. And so I'm thinking that there's never been a better time to learn how to do what I do, which is to make money online, because whatever happens, I can make money, I can support my family, and if there is a lockdown and I can't leave the house for months, then that's not an issue. I can get food delivered, and I can support my family by making money online. And I've only been doing this full time for just over 3 years, but in that period I've learned so much, and I made a promise that I would teach as many people as possible to do the same, because where I was 3 years ago was in an awful place. It was just an awful situation, and I wouldn't want to go back there, and I wouldn't want anybody to be in that place. Up to your neck in debt and stressed out, can't sleep, can't focus, can't operate, don't know how you're going to pay the bills, where the next penny's coming from. It's not nice, and I can see that being a reality for a lot of people with the way things are going in the world, aside from those people who have already decided that they're going to kind of future-proof themselves by working out this game of making money online. Now the trouble is that you're going to be seeing emails coming through from people every single day promoting products that, let's say that, for argument's sake, they're like $10, $12.95, $27, whatever they are. They're promising to get you out of that situation and change everything for you. But I identified, just before things started going crazy for me and I started getting my success online, I identified that the way they were making their money was actually from selling the products and not actually doing what the products did themselves. All right, so I've put all this together in a course, a program, a coaching program called Breakthrough, and at the moment Breakthrough is at the very lowest price that it's going to be. I've just spent the last couple of months rebuilding a completely new members area and recording 6 new modules with a ton of content, a ton of lessons in each module that takes you by the hand and shows you exactly what you need to do in order to pretty much follow in my path. I've just gone through $600,000 in vendor sales on Warrior Plus, and I posted that on Facebook, not to show off, but because I thought, that's not bad in the time period that I've been doing this. So I must know a little bit about what I'm doing. In other words, I'm qualified to teach you. Now, I've rolled this out to new members over the last couple of weeks, and I've just given access to all my founder members who were on the previous platform for Breakthrough, and the feedback I've got is just unbelievable. Everybody loves it. They think it's, the value is just incredible. I'm not saying that, they're saying that. So I'm just saying to you, if you want to make a change in your life, then maybe Breakthrough is what you need. All right, now I've got the one-time payment, or I've got a split pay of three times to make it easier for you. So it should be achievable for everybody, but it's only going to be this low for a little while because I'm working on paid traffic, and then once I've got that nailed, I'm going to be doubling the price. And that's not scarcity. That's not fake scarcity. I don't know where I got that spinnerism from. That's not fake scarcity. That's the truth. That's exactly what I'm doing, because it needs to be higher to make it work for the paid advertising for me. All right, so I thought I'd give you a little shout out now, just to say, if you want me to help you, if you want to come into a completely BS free environment where we've got a live coaching call every single week, we've got a Facebook group that is absolutely abundant with life and questions and answers and support, accountability for you, etc. If this seems like the time that's right for you to do it now, then jump on board as soon as you can. Now, the options you've got, you can go to the sales page, you can go to watch the webinar replay, whatever you want. If you've seen enough of Breakthrough already, they can just click on the buy button and come in. It's a full membership platform. The login details are all emailed out to you. It's a lovely site, and you're just going to love what's in there. And I don't hold anything back, because what I'm doing is I'm trying to give you as much as I possibly can to enable you to get results, because I need to see your success. I want to see you achieving. I want to see your figures, and I want to put your figures on my sales page and in my webinar. So it's a win-win situation. You win, I win, and I know you can do it, and you know you can do it, and you just got to stop listening to all the rubbish out there, to be honest with you. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I'm sitting about to go into the supermarket, and I just thought, I'd reach out and speak to you. Now, if you've got any questions, of course, do let me know. Hopefully by now you know me well enough to know that I'm the real deal, and I'm going to look after you. I'm going to make sure that you get nothing but the very best training and the best chances to succeed. And this can be life-changing. It can be so good, and it has been for me, even during the pandemic. With so much uncertainty, it's just refreshing to know that you can continue, you can survive, and you can thrive. So why don't you come and join me? I would love to have you in my family, on my team, in my Breakthrough family. So go for it, do it. Just take that leap of faith like I did, and who knows where that could lead. If you've got any questions, as I say, let me know. In the meantime, I wish you all the very best. You take care. Trevor.
Hi there, my name is Janice, and I am a member of Breakthrough, which is a coaching course by Trevor Carr. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my experience with the program. I am thrilled at the amount of information that I'm learning in this course. I've spent thousands of dollars, like multiple thousands of dollars, on courses, including high ticket courses, where I've learned a lot. I've learned quite a lot, but if you put all the courses together, I have not learned what I am learning inside of Breakthrough. I've been doing affiliate marketing online for about a year and have had some small successes. And I've also been following Trevor for probably 2 years, and I just really like his style. And when I knew he was coming out with this course, I knew that I had to jump on board, because some of the courses I've purchased from him in the past were just taught in a manner, a style, in a way that I just really like and really resonates. So, like, if you're a brand new marketer, you're brand new online, and you don't know where to start, this course is for you. If you're already an intermediate marketer and you're kind of stuck, or you've plateaued and you want to improve your successes, this course will help you move forward. And if you've ever thought about creating your own course online, you also learn that in this course. And so Trevor has some case studies in there. He showed you where he's had trouble with something, the mistakes he made, and how he solved those problems, so we can save time by learning from those mistakes. I have fun, actually. We have live coaching calls, and on the live coaching calls, we have a lot of fun. Trevor's got a great sense of humor. And Jonas Lindgren chimes in now and then too, and he's also very funny. And between the two guys' experience, we have so much to learn from these guys. And there's a Facebook page, a Facebook group, I should say, that is highly engaged. And you're never just left standing alone wondering what to do next. If you have a question, it always gets answered. And we help each other out inside of the group as well. You know, some people have more experience than others, and some people have no experience at all, and they just need help. So if you've been sitting on the fence about whether or not to get a higher ticket course on how to make money online, I think that Breakthrough is well worth the money at a fraction of the cost of a lot of the other high ticket programs. And huge shout out to Trevor for all that he's put into this course. Plus the bonuses are amazing. Like the bonuses inside the course, if you were to buy them outside of the course, would cost you at least 4 times more what Breakthrough costs itself. So just wanted you to know that I am personally learning so much from this, and then the only thing to do next is take action. So yeah, go ahead and get Breakthrough and be prepared to succeed. Okay, thanks.